It's fake kills.
Original, puffin' on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a coming, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga, say she want another nigga. I who's that, baby? Tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, way you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me out, say she give me pour me out. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girls them a whining, them me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, them me looking at the think so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the thing so. Girl, pour me out, say me pour me out. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Man a wine, say she give me for me y'all. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's fake kills.
Right, we finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb like them are watching. They are pretty about it. Bad man, what you say?
Standard.
Original, bad man. And me get this song for them. Lego. Original bad man. His body baby.
It's fake kills.
Standard.
Catching that vibe. Me and my guys, we are feeling alright. Feeling the crew. Dancing like we ain't got nothing to lose. Another bottle done go down. Me and my guys never slow down. Them girls no one calm down. We be going from short to short now. Top of me want my knee. They wanna put me on the display, but me I know said make them watch me on the TV. Want my band is okay. Anytime they see me, they no want to feel me. They just want to talk. Check it raw well okay. If you they play my music, if you get my CD, make you hate me when you see me now. They want to know. Top of me in the street to myself, only make them. They got to go. Top of me in the bed, to my calm down. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Hey guys, what's up? It is Alicia Jones. Welcome back to my channel. I've been away for a little bit of a while, probably like 2 weeks, but you guys, I'm back with another video. And in today's video I will be installing Lulutress's Island Twist. Okay, so I tried Lulutress before and I wanted to give them another chance, so I was like, I'm gonna try something different. I'm gonna try this style. So I got this in the color number 2 from my local beauty supply for $4.99 a pack. And I always get 6 packs when I get crochet braids, and I only use I use 5.5. So this is what I have left. The hair is super soft. It's so bouncy. It's so bouncy. I love this island twist. So the hair is in 18 inches, and in the back I didn't split it at all, but once I got to the top I split some of the strands once or twice. This is the curl up close. Y'all, I'm loving this hair, and of course I'm gonna come back and do a review for you guys, but oh my gosh. So it's summertime, it's hot outside, so I'm thinking that I might just cut it maybe to about shoulder length. But I'm 5'3". I cut the hair a little bit, and this is where it comes, probably just a little bit past my boob. But yeah, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a like, a comment, share if you want to. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. But yeah, y'all, I will see y'all in the next video. Stay tuned for the review, which will be coming in about 3 weeks. Bye guys.